Running a small business is tough. It demands passion, hard work, and, often, a critical injection of capital and expertise. But where do you turn when your business needs more than just a standard checking account, when you need a genuine financial partner to help you grow? That's where EverBank steps in. Today, we're looking at how EverBank supports small businesses and provides the specialized tools and financing that can truly make a difference, helping companies move from simply managing day-to-day operations to scaling their ambitions. For any small business, the first step is solid foundational banking. EverBank offers a suite of business accounts, including various checking and savings solutions, built to streamline your daily financial tasks. But they go beyond the basics with things like competitive rates on savings, which means your cash reserves are actually working for you, and comprehensive online and mobile tools that give you 24/7 control over your money. This solid base is crucial for efficient cash flow management. However, growth demands capital. EverBank's commercial and industrial lending capabilities are tailored to a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to business services and agriculture. They understand that one size does not fit all. Need to cover seasonal inventory demands or handle unexpected expenses? Their revolving and non-revolving lines of credit provide the flexible working capital you need to manage cash flow. Looking to invest in the future? Term loans offer a way to finance major corporate needs, whether it's purchasing essential machinery, improving commercial properties, or expanding your operations. And for businesses that rely on equipment, think logistics, construction, or medical offices, EverBank offers specialized vendor and manufacturer equipment financing. This is a powerful tool, providing customized leasing and financing solutions that help businesses quickly deploy the critical assets they need to deliver services and increase productivity. They work with urgency because they know in business, time is money. Beyond financing, EverBank focuses on comprehensive commercial banking solutions. They provide treasury and cash management services designed to optimize your cash position, streamline payment processes like ACH and wire transfers, and protect your funds with robust security and fraud detection. These are the tools that allow a small business owner to stop worrying about back-office operations and start focusing on serving their customers. Ultimately, EverBank positions itself as more than just a bank. They aim to be a dedicated partner. Their specialists have real-world industry experience, offering a consultative approach to customize a financial strategy that aligns directly with your unique business goals and challenges. They bring the expertise and stability of a large financial institution with a focus on delivering high-value, client-centric solutions. If your small business is ready to take that next big step, finding a bank that offers tailored financing, advanced cash management, and industry-specific expertise is essential. EverBank offers that combination, providing the financial advantage businesses need to move forward with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.